Dear students, very good morning. Hope that all you will be safe. In previous video, we have learned how to irrational number represent on the number line. In previous days, I gave some questions under exercise 1.3. In this chapter, most students solved how to convert recurring decimal into fraction is very poor. So I think that a video must be by which you learn how to convert recurring decimal into fraction. Now let us come. हम लोग जो है रेकरिंग डिसिमल को हम लोग फ्रैक्शन में जो है कन्वर्ट करना इस वीडियो में सीखें. ओके. You know, decimals and fractions are essentially two different ways of representing the same numerical value. Now, a key mathematical skill is knowing how to convert fraction to decimal and decimal to fractions. In this video, we will focus on the latter with a specific reference to recurring decimal. A recurring decimal, also known as repeating decimal, is a number containing an infinitely repeating digit or series of digits appearing after the decimal point. For example, 0.3333 dot dot recurring or 1.745545 recurring. You know, the recurring digit or digits are typically identified by a dot placed above them or bar above them. So 0.3 with a dot above the 3 or bar above the 3 or 1.745 with dots above the both 4 and 5 or bar on 4 and 5, where there is a longer series of repeating digits. Dots appear above the first and last digits of the recurring sequence. For examples, 0.385385 dot 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 recurring. You would see dots above both the 3 and the 5. Since recurring decimals are rational numbers, they can always be expressed as fractions. Now, question that require you to convert a recurring decimal to a fraction often crop up. Now, we will walk through this step by step. Now, taking first step, write out the equation. To convert a recurring decimal to a fraction, start by writing out the equation where the fraction we are trying to find is equal to the given number. Just like if you are given 0.666 recurring, you take x equal to 0.66. That is equation. If you write x equal to 0.66, that is equation. For example, if we are asked to convert 0.6 recurring into a fraction, we would start out with x equal to 0.6666. Now step 2, To do this, we need a second equation with the same recurring digits after the decimal point. In this case, if we multiply both sides of x equal to 0.666 by 10, we get 10x equal to 6.666. As our recurring digits are the same in both equations, we can subtract the lesser from the greater to cancel them out. Just like you have x equal to 0.666 and 10x equal to 6.666. Now, 10x minus x equal to 6 minus 66 minus 0.66, and this gives us 9x equal to 6. We now take 9x equal to 6 and divide both sides by 9 to find our fraction x equal to 6 by 9. After this, we simplify 6 by 9. When converting a recurring decimal to a fraction, we need to find its lowest form. And you know that you have to do simplest form. First you find SCF of numerator and denominator. Here SCF of 6 and 9 is 3. After this you will divide 6 by 3 and 9 divided by 3, and you get x equal to 2 by 3. The above is a basic example how to convert a recurring decimal into a fraction. However, in most cases, step 2 is more complex. Just like, let us take 0.03666 as our recurring decimal. So x equal to 0.03666. Here 6 is repeating. To resolve this, we must multiply x equal to 0.03666 by 100, because 0 in 10th place, 3 in 100th place. After this, after 100th place, 6 digit repeating. So we multiply x equal to 0.366 by 100 and also by 1000 to give us two equations with matching recurring digits. Now you have 100x equal to 3.6666 and 1000x equal to 36.666. Now we would then move on the step third, subtracting the lesser from the greater. You have greater 1000x and lesser 100x. Now you subtract 100x from 1000x and you get 900x equal to 33. Now we solve for x and simplify the fraction. You get x equal to 33 by 900, and 33 by 900 you find SCF of 33 and 900 is 3, and you divide numerator and denominator by 3, and you get x equal to 11 by 300. Now just take next examples. Just like you have to 0.84 recurring as a fraction in its lowest form. Write out. Here, recurring as a bar or two dots on 8 and 4 both. First, write out the equation x equal to 0.84848484 dot dot dot. Now, here two digits 848484 repeated. 8 on the 10th place and 4 on the 100th place. Hence, we multiply equation both sides by 100 and you get 100x equal to 84.84444. After this, now you multiply 10,000 by equation, both sides, you get 10,000 x equal to 8,484.8484844. Subtract and solve for x. 10,000 minus 10,000x minus 100x equal to 8,484.844 minus 84.848. In this way, you get 9,900x equal to 8,400. And also you get x equal to 8,400 by 9,900. Now, you can simplify this. You get x equal to 28 by 33. Now, let us take second examples. 0.037237 recurring as a fraction in its lowest form. Write out the equation as x equal to 0.0237237 dot. Here 0 on the after decimal, 0 on the 10th place, 2 on the 100th place, and 3 on the 1000th place. First of all, we multiply equation by 10 and you get 10x equal to 0.237237 dot. After this, you multiply 10,000 by 10,000 by equation and you get 10,000 x equal to 237.237. Subtract and solve for equation x. 10,000 x minus 10x equal to 237.237237 minus 0.237237 dot and you get 9,990x equal to 237 and you get x equal to 237 by 9,990. After simplify, SCF of 237 and 9,990 is 3 and both numerator and denominator divided by 3, you get x equal to 79 by 3,330. Now let us take other examples. Just like x equal to 7.3222. Find multiples of x that results in two equations with the same recurring digits after the decimal point. In this case, you get 10x equal to 73.22 and 100x equal to 732.22. Now subtract and solve for x. 100x minus 10x equal to 732.222 minus 73.222. You get 90x equal to 659. In this way, you get x equal to 659 by 90. In this instance, we have been left with an improper fraction where the numerator is greater than the denominator. So we need to simplify this to a mixed fraction. When you divide 659 by 90, you get 7 and 29 by 90. Okay. Now, hope that you have learned how to convert a recurring decimal into fraction. Now, we know about sorts. Perhaps for you, sorts is a new term, but it is also in class 8 sorts. An irrational number of the form nth root under a is given a special name sort, where a is called radicand and it should always be a rational number. Also, the symbol ninth root under is called the radical sign and the index n is called order of the sort. Nth root under a is read as nth root of a and can also be written as or in exponential form. Nth root under a equal to a upon 1 by n. Now, let us know laws of sorts. Just like law of exponents, sorts have also laws of sorts have also property. If root nth root under a upon n equal to a, or in same order nth root a into nth root b equal to nth root under ab, or in same order nth root a divided by nth root b equal to nth root under a by b. Next property, nth root under mth root under a equal to mnth root under a. For changing order, you can multiply in n and also multiply on power of a. In this way, nth root a equal to np root under a power p, a power p. Yeah, n into m root under a power m. In this way, you get laws of sorts. Now, let us know about operation of sorts. Sorts के अंतर्गत भी आप मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशन माने एडिशन ऑफ सॉर्ट्स और सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ सॉर्ट्स, शॉर्ट्स में खासकर आपको इस बात के लिए अटेंशन देना होगा कि एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन always be in same order. Just like 5 into cubic root under 250 plus 7 cubic root under 60 minus 14 cubic root under 54. Now you solve. 250 equal to 125 into 2. 16 equal to 8 into 2. Here 250 equal to 125 into 2, 16 equal to 8 into 2, and 54 equal to 27 into 2. You know 8, 27 and 125 is perfect cube. Now you insert 125, insert 8 and insert 27 and you get 5 into 5 cubic root under 2 plus 7 into 2 cubic root under 2 minus 14 into 3 into cubic root under 2. and now you take common cubic root under 2 and you get 25 plus 14 minus 40t into cubic root under 2. 25 plus 14, 39. 39 minus 42 is equal to minus 3. Now minus 3 cubic root under 2 is your answer. Now other example, multiplication and division of sorts. In multiplication and division, you not care is same order. It means if you multiply or division, then must not need not in same order. Just like you are given cubic root under 2 into 4 root under 3. Here though order of cubic root under 2 is 3 and order of 4 root under 3 is 4. Here you must be take order in same. कहने का मतलब कि यहाँ पे आपको क्यूबिक रूट 2 और क्यूबिक 4 रूट अंडर 2 दिया हुआ है, दोनों के ऑर्डर को हम लोग सेम कर लेंगे. इसके लिए 3 और 4 का एलसीएम निकालेंगे. 3 और 4 का एलसीएम 12 होता है. तो आप जो है यहाँ पर जो है 3 और एलसीएम 3 और 4 का 12 हुआ. अब 3 को 12 बनाने के लिए 3 इंटू 4 12. तो आप जो है यहाँ पर 3 को आपने 4 में कन्वर्ट किया. 3 इंटू 4 तो 2 पर पावर भी 4 आपने डाला. 4 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई आपने किया. और 4 को आपने 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया 12, तो यहाँ पर 3 को पावर भी 3. इट मीन्स इफ यू 3 इंटू 4 3 को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो पावर 4 आ गया, और 4 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया आपने तो 3 को पावर 3 आ गया. इन दिस वे बोथ हैव सेम. Now you get in same order, you multiply, you get 12 root under 2 upon 4 and 3 cube. Value of 2 upon 4 is equal to 16 and 3 cube equal to 27, and you get 12 root under 430. Okay. In this way, we can addition, subtraction or multiplication and division. Second question, root under 8a power 5b into cubic root under 4a squared b squared. Order of root under a upon 5 into b is 2, and order of cubic root under 4a squared b squared 3. You get LCM of 2 and 3 is 6, and you get 6 root under 8 cube a 15 and b cube into 6 root under 4a squared a upon 4 b upon 4. In this way you get 6 root under 2 upon 13 and a upon 19 and b upon 6. Now you 13 minus 6, 19 minus 6 and 7 minus 6, and then you insert 2 upon 2, a upon 3, a cube, b root under 6 root under 2ab. Now you also can divide, just like square root under 24 divided by cubic root under 200. In root under 24 divided by cubic root 200, you do both in same order. Square root under 24 equal to 6 root under 24 upon 3, and cubic root under 200 equal to 6 root under 200 power 2. And this way you get 6 root under 216 by 625. Now you also comparison who is greater, who is smaller. In this condition you also do in same order. Just like cubic root under 6, and in cubic root under 6 and fifth root under 8, who is greater and smaller? After doing same order, you get cubic root under 6 is greater than fifth root under 8, or in between square root under half and cubic root under 1/3. After doing same order, you get 6 under 8 and 6 under 9. Now, in 1 by 8 and 1 by 9, 1 by 8 is greater, hence 6 root under 1 by 8 is greater than 6 under 1 by 9. In this way, you also give her sorts, do in ascending order. In ascending order, you also do in same order all given sorts, and after this you can arrange in ascending order given sorts. Okay, hope that this video also improve in your knowledge about sorts and how to convert electric decimal in fractions. Thanks.